Welcome to one of Manga Club's most prestigious homes. This is Villa 7. Set on a beautifully landscaped 2,641 square metre plot, this spectacular villa sits proudly above the third tee of the North Course, offering panoramic views of the golf course, Lionhead Mountain and the sparkling Mar Menor Sea. As you step through the vintage front door, you're greeted by refined elegance. Marble floors, soaring ceilings, and interiors that capture the light and surrounding beauty at every turn. This home has been finished to the highest specification, with a kitchen designed for entertaining, multiple lounge and dining areas, and a seamless flow throughout. Villa 7 offers 6 luxurious bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, including a private guest apartment. Each space is carefully crafted with comfort, style, and privacy in mind. And it doesn't stop there. A dedicated wine cellar, private sauna, and multiple terraces add a layer of indulgence to everyday living. But the true highlight? The breathtaking infinity pool. Swim while taking in expansive views across the fairway, with no one to disturb the peace. The lush gardens and private pitch and putt complete this exceptional setting. Villa 7 is more than a home, it's a masterpiece. Book your private tour today with Marena Murray and let us show you the art of living well at the Manga Club.